Yo, this is Manda Codigo. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna guide you through the process of installing Docker on your M1 powered Mac. Let's get started. As the requirement, you will need a MacBook with the Apple M1 chip. The M1 chip is a special kind of computer processor made by Apple and is known for being really fast and powerful. I personally use a MacBook Pro with that chip, along with 16GB of memory, running on macOS Sonoma version 14.4.1. We want to install Docker Desktop for Mac. Let me explain briefly what is it. Docker Desktop simplifies container management with one-click installation on Mac, Linux or Windows. Its intuitive graphical user interface lets you handle containers, apps, and images directly. It streamlines complex setups, handling port mappings and file system concerns. Regular updates ensure bug fixes and security patches. Key features include among others Docker Engine, Docker CLI, and Docker Compose. It integrates seamlessly with various development tools and languages, providing access to a vast library of certified images and templates in Docker Hub. This enables teams to auto-build, integrate, and collaborate securely. Attention! Commercial use of Docker Desktop in larger enterprises, more than 250 employees, or more than 10 million United States dollars in annual revenue, requires a paid subscription. As the very first step, we have to launch the main Docker website. I'm already here, but you can access it by googling Docker or going under docker.com. Let's click on Get a Docker button that is located in the top right corner of the website. Now, in the middle of the screen, we can see the blue button Download for Mac, Apple chip. Let's click on it and the download process is supposed to start. Then, let's pick the destination location for our installation file. I keep the default option. Now, let's head to that folder and install Docker Desktop by clicking on the icon. Then, drag the Docker icon into the Applications folder to install it. You may be prompted to enter your password to authorize the installation. Open Launchpad or go to the Applications folder and click on the Docker to launch Docker Desktop. Follow on the screen instructions to complete the setup process. Finally, when the installation process is over, let's verify that Docker is installed and running correctly on your Mac. Open Terminal and run the docker version command to check the Docker version. We can also run docker run hello world to verify the Docker is working correctly. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Docker on your Apple M1 Mac. Now you can start containerizing your applications and exploring the world of containerization. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.